Tired of fumbling with cash and cards? Let's unlock the full potential of your Apple Pay Cash card by linking your bank account for effortless money management. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. It's the app with the white card icon, usually found on your home screen. If you can't find it, use the search bar at the top of your screen. Once in the Wallet app, tap on your Apple Cash card, then look for the three dots located in the upper right-hand corner of the card and tap on them. This opens up a menu with additional options for your card. Scroll down the card details screen until you find Bank Accounts. Tap on Bank Accounts. If you've already linked a bank account, it will appear here. Otherwise, it will say Add Bank Account. Now you have two choices. You can either instantly verify your bank account using your online banking credentials, or you can manually enter your account and routing numbers. Instant verification is usually faster, but if you prefer to enter the details manually, tap Add Bank Account manually. If you choose instant verification, you'll be guided through a secure process using Plaid, a trusted service that connects to your bank. Select your bank from the list and enter your online banking username and password. Don't worry, Apple doesn't store this information. If you choose to manually add your bank account, you'll need your bank's routing number and your account number. You can usually find this information on a check or by contacting your bank. Enter the requested information carefully and double-check for accuracy. After entering your bank details manually, Apple will make 2 small test deposits into your account within 13 business days. Once you see these deposits, return to the bank account section in your Apple Pay Cash settings and enter the amounts of the deposits to verify your account. Once your bank account is verified, you can easily transfer money to your Apple Cash card for online or in-person purchases, or transfer money from your Apple Cash card back to your bank account. Enjoy the added financial flexibility and convenience.